Police officer, stand where you are.
The man is caught red-handed destroying evidence.
Hey, get down. What have I done here? Stay down there, you. Turn over. Please. All right, enough of that. Please don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. Cuffs, please. Right, we're going to stand you up. You should have cooperated earlier, mate, shouldn't you? Come over here. Sit down. If you have a look here, he's in the process of shredding all those cards. Took us a good 10-15 minutes to get in. He's had 10-15 minutes to shred those cards. So as you can see, there's probably hundreds of cards in there.
The flat and the suspect are secure, and the officers can now start a thorough search. They're hunting for proceeds of crime, as well as technical card forging kit. Leading the search in the living room is Detective Whiting. He's found hundreds more cards that avoided the shredder and weren't thrown out of the window. He can tell this card is a counterfeit because the embossed printing showing the name and date is overlapping and the hologram picture doesn't move.
Counterfeit card.
Detective Whiting's next find is even more important. This flat is full of fake cards, but these clever little pieces of kit he's just found are called keyloggers. And they are used to steal card details. Fraudsters can connect them to the back of credit card terminals in shops and garages, and every time you make a payment, they siphon off all your card details and save them for a fraudster to use later. Each of the keyloggers cost just £30, but they can steal over 3,000 credit card numbers each, and Detective Whiting has just found 8 of them. Scientists from the University of Cambridge are leading research into the latest techniques criminals have devised to steal our card details. Using a keylogger like the ones found in the flat, Stephen Murdoch is going to show us just how easy this crime is to commit. He's using a computer and a password here instead of a chip and pin machine, but it's exactly the same principle. The keylogger will easily fit both.
This thing is a hardware keylogger. You can buy them fairly easily online. If I take this and plug it in between the keyboard and the computer, on here we've got a password field. So if I type in the password...
Stephen types, "This is a secret," as his password. You can't see it on the screen, but remember, this could just as easily have been all the details stored on your card. All he has to do now is plug the keylogger into another computer, and straight away he'll be able to read it. It really is that easy.
You can see the thing that I typed onto the PC. So if that was a pin-into device rather than a PC, then what we'd get is all the customers' card details.
Fitting a £30 keylogger onto a terminal like this can make criminals who know what to do with the data millions of pounds. In West London, the officers from the City of London Police believe their suspect has been stealing data using keyloggers and making fake cards to live the high life. All the credit cards in this place are fake, but the expensive designer goods are the real deal.
Certainly if you look around, you can see Selfridges bags here, you can see Louis Vuitton, good high-class items. It's more likely that the items that would be purchased wouldn't be here. But when you've got the cards, if you're going to clothe yourself, you're going to clothe yourself in the nicest items. For example, the mobile phone that he's got is worth £3,000 allegedly.
It doesn't end there. That watch on his wrist is a genuine Rolex worth nearly £4,000.
There's no point.
No, exactly. Yeah.
Whilst the other officers seize all the designer goods for evidence, Detective Whiting is finishing up his search in the living room, and he's just found a disc which contains the last piece of the puzzle. To write stolen card details onto the magnetic strip of a fake card, you need a supply of card numbers, a laptop and a card writing machine, but you also need this computer program. It allows you to copy your stolen numbers onto these cards.
Completes a package really of what we're looking for.
The officers have seen enough to prove the man is running a fake credit card operation from the flat. Now they have to painstakingly sift through all the evidence to find out just how much has been stolen using all these cards.